In this lesson, I'll be talking about keywords. So, what are keywords? How do they work and what is the angle that you should approach keywords? When people are searching for something, be it on Google or the App Store, they use keywords. They tap on the search bar and they type some words that are, in this case, keywords. What you need to understand is that these words are not just keywords, they are a distillation of their needs. When you think of keywords, don't think of separate words that are eligible within themselves. You need to think of keywords in the picture of search phrases. So for example, people don't search for dog or chair. They search for puppy apps for my daughter or comfortable work chair. You need to understand that they are people and they think like people, therefore search like people. So when coming up with your keywords, identify what kind of search phrases would your perfect customer search for, and then take out these words from that search phrase and label them as keywords like puppy, daughter, mom, or chair, best, workspace, comfortable. Remember, keywords must come from search phrases. Another key factor you must keep in mind is that all of us only have 100 characters available for the keywords, and we need to put a comma after each keyword. It goes without saying that you should never add a space after your keywords. You will lose one character. I see this rookie mistake all the time, so don't do it. Don't add a space between the commas. So, you have 100 characters and you want to add as many keywords as possible. You can target long words like unbelievable, but you can also target shorter words like fun or zombie. When it comes to the character count, try to use shorter words. But in no means would I target for fun or zombie. That's because those are highly saturated keywords. What does that mean? I'll go deeper in this in another lesson. For now, keep in mind that for those 100 characters, you should use keywords wisely. Also, choose your keywords so they may be combined in as many search phrases as possible. For example, if I have the following keywords: learn, kids, pre, school, mom, book, and teach, I am searchable for learn in preschool and also learn in school for book.